we're in my we're in my garage because it has gotten cold in Texas. It's about 28 degrees outside. A little warmer in here, a little less sound because that's a metal garage. This isn't. So we're doing another unboxing. I still don't know if I'm putting these videos out or not. We'll find out. This is the Lectric Lite 2.0 JW. I forgot what this stood for. I don't know, something Wick, whatever that dude's name is. Anyway, we're gonna open this up and see how hard it is to put together. So, see how hard it is to open first. So if I put these out, the other one is my bike. This one's going to be my wife's bike. Got packing material. Ooh, not packing material. My assumption is this is a charger. Let's see. Oh, no, okay. So charger, and then it came with the folding lock. So charger, folding lock, replacement parts. I'll need these when I go to put her rack on. Don't know how much of that I'm gonna need. All right, let's see. What else we got? Oh, chain guard. This requires a puller, which I don't have, so doubt that's going on. I don't know what you need a chain guard for a belt drive, but whatever. Oh, cool. This one came with the rack installed. Yay! I had to put the rack on my bike. It sucked. It was a 4-hour process. So, very good. So this one they kind of built for me. Let's see. Get a little more packing material. Oh, and it comes with the fenders. Oh man, I'm telling you, the rear rack and the fenders were no joke on that other bike. So this one comes with the rear rack and the fenders. Excellent. All right, let's see. All right. Oh, even has the upgraded headlight installed. Yeah, this one they built for me. My bike they didn't build for me. Got the old stem warning. Make sure the stem's secure to the front wheel. We'll just put that there. Promptly forget about it. And it's partially opened already. Let's see here. Lock it in place, but you gotta get the little battery saver out of there. Don't forget that. Not left-handed. What's this one say? This one says helmet warning. Always wear a helmet. Actually got us helmets, so that's good. This one says you got to be 18. We definitely got that one covered. This one says, I don't know what it says. For end-use removal only. Only I can remove this. Okay, well, there you go. I removed it. There's the keys. I know this model does not work without the key installed. I know that. Let's see. I gotta hook up the power. Well, I'm gonna tell you, couldn't be happier about this being installed and that being installed. It was a booger bear to put on my bike. So I'm glad I don't have to put it on this one. And another warning tag here, battery warning tag. Failure to follow these and other warnings, yeah, they'll could mess up things. And this is a seat warning. Make sure your seat's secure. Another warning. What's this one? What's this say? Front wheel warning. Make sure the front wheel is tight. I'll do that later. I do have a torque wrench. So, I know, let me pull this around so you can see it. I know this thing here is supposed to come off, but I'll be honest with you, kind of like it on there. Because when it's folded, that acts like a kickstand, which is actually pretty cool. But will it stay on while you're riding it? I don't know. Some people say that theirs stays on. So let's throw the seat on here. Have to go get the comfort seat out of the other garage. But we can put this on and just see what it looks like. Anybody needs a couple of electric seats, let me know. I have two because we're definitely using the comfort ones. This one already has the cushy stem installed. It's a standard electric seat, but it is the comfort stem, which we got free with ordering these. So you can see here it goes in, but then that's not the comfort seat, that's the normal electric seat. So I have two of these if anybody wants to buy one. And then if I uploaded my other video, you know that I screwed this latch all up on that bike. Let's see if I can't do it right on this one. Needs to be tightened a little bit more. Just tighten it down a little bit. And then that together. You see here, suspension seat. All right. What'll that take? 5 minutes? I have no idea. 10 minutes? I don't know. But she's built. She's ready to ride. Shoot. I like it. I just got to put some air in the tires. Oh, I got to hook up the lines here. Green with green. I don't have my glasses on. All right. Helper had to come out here and make sure I was doing the job right. So I'm looking for the little doohicker. There's an arrow. There's an arrow. Probably help if I have more light, huh? Does that go in there? Well, how you doing? Oh, look at there. Whoo, boy, magic. All right. Let's go here and here. Oh, man, these pins are tiny. Well, don't screw this one up. Ah, baby. Are you done? Oh yeah. Say hello. Say hello. I know it's cold. I know it's cold. What are you gonna do? Just need a little more. They really do a good job of wire wrapping it, but wire wrap really makes connecting these two up a chore. Nope. I need some light. Get a little light on there. See if I can find my arrows now. If you have a helper, you should get them for this part so that they can help you line up these arrows so that you don't bend a pin, because that's what I'm afraid I'm going to do, bend a pin. Okay. Hope she works. Put the key in, and if all went well, this bad boy should power up. There it is. All right, kind of hard for an old fat man to get down there and see it. Okay, battery's working. Got the pedals out. Keys on. Light works, so I didn't break it. Yay. There she is, all her glory. So it dawned on me as I was editing the video, I didn't go through the settings. This one only has P8. P8 is only 32, that's it. And then 22. 22 you want it on 2, and that gets you the maximum speed while you're pedaling the bike. So in pedal assist 1, you can go up to 20 miles an hour, whereas in the other setting it was like 9 miles an hour, I think. So that's why I changed that, so that you get full speed the entire time. It's the XP Lite 2.0 JW. Forgot who the John, what's his face? What's his name? Come on, y'all know his name. John, whatever his name is. All right. Anyway, there she is. Only thing she's missing is the comfort seat. That's out in my other garage. Got a water bottle cooler for it, but otherwise, this bad boy's ready to go. We have successfully unboxed another one. Oh yeah, looky there. Haha. Well, I can't wait to ride this, but we're not riding it today. It is way too cold. So catch y'all at the next one.